Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to sign up for DCU online banking. So in order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser in your PC or in your mobile device, and in the search bar you simply need to type dcu.org. This will land you on the official website of DCU. Now over here you will be able to see two different options to log in into your account or to sign up for your online banking. Here, if you already have the username and your password of yours, then you can click on the login button and you simply need to sign in into your account. But as you want to sign up as a new member, you need to click on this get started button over here. Once done, you will be landed on this page where you are going to see the option of username and password. So over here, you need to basically type the username that you want to create for your DCU account, and then you need to create a strong password for your account, and then you need to press the sign in button over here. Now for any reason, if you are facing any of the problems in creating your username or your password, or if you have forgotten them, then you will have to click on forgot your username and then you will be landed on this page. Here, if you have an individual account, then you need to provide your last name, your birthday, the last four digit of your social security number and your phone number, and then it will show you the username of yours. If you have forgotten your password, then you will have to click on forgot your password. Then again you need to provide the username if you remember, then the four digit of your SSN number and your phone number. After that, you just have to press this OK button and click on sign in. Then you need to provide your username and password and you will be able to log in into your account. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.